Hey, I'm with a senior partner, an amazing engineer, Matt Karupis, and we're talking about tips for using data effectively to make great decisions in your company. Matt, what's one of those points that we should always keep in mind?
I think that one of the key things in collecting your data and having it actually work for your business rather than you just gathering the data yourself is to improve the ability and ease for you to integrate across all the aspects of your business. Many companies have their financial systems, their ERP, their CRMs, and those pieces of information are stored disparately from each other. They are not connected in any way. And so it is a very manual process by which you're having to take information from one system, port it to another, and make it digestible and be able to actually take actions based off of that data. And so oftentimes we found that creating a data warehouse that allows for you to consolidate all of that data into a singular place, kind of standardize the data in that layer, force yourself to understand it while you're establishing that data warehousing layer, allows for you to, one, have all of your data in one place, and two, for future projects that you're doing, whether they be software or just business projects, have a singular location that all of your information is stored in. That's something that we've seen great success for many of our customers with.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Yeah, you got to have the data to be able to use it to make decisions on. And if it's scattered all over the place, it's definitely no fun to try to make a decision on it. Usually you just give up and don't use the data, right?
Exactly.